Hello guys, so today we will talk about how we can install latest Visual Studio on Windows 10 and we will try to download and complete installation. So let's do it. So first of all I'm just going to open browser and then see I just mentioned download latest Visual Studio. You can mention just like this and then you can search and scroll a bit, you will see visualstudio.microsoft.com. This is the standard website. I will paste the URL in the video description as well, so you don't need to search. And we can see there are four types of things mentioned here. First, community, professional, enterprise, and preview. So basically, professional is for if you are living in a small company or if you are single person, then you can use it as a paid service. And enterprise means you are trying to use this particular application for team wide. And preview means you are going to see some preview right now, so I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to use community version, and community version is the free version. It's mentioned that open source contributors, so we can usually use this, and this is free for students as well. So we can use test and do whatever we want to. So let's click to download and see what is the features and what we can do. So you just need to click on it to download and it will start downloading. See, so it's downloaded a 3.6 MB of file and I'm going to click to open it. It's running now. Let's see. If you are new in the channel, kindly to subscribe, like and share the video. Let's continue for installation part, and it will take some time to download. In between I'm just stopping the video and we'll get back. Okay, so it's going to download and install now and getting ready. So it is installed now and finally getting ready and almost going to showing the entire page where we can select a bunch of services for further installation. So now we got the page and see it is showing how many features we want to install. So sometimes I just found some of testers and some of developers want to install ASP.NET and Python development, mobile development. So they select these services and then click to install, right? But I'm not going to select any service because I don't want to use it right away, and this is only for demo purpose. So if you want to use any service, you just need to click and just don't try to select everyone because it will consume huge amount of your data and space. So this is the kind of a recommendation for you. And see, here is a also option for individual components, so you can select whatever .NET framework you want. It is a kind of very good availability over here, and you can select rest of things just like cloud database. So you can select a variety of services from here, and if you want to choose language packages, then you can just go to the next tab and select whatever language suits you apart from English. And installation locations, so this is the current location in C drive, program files, Microsoft Visual Studio 2020 and community version. So if you want to change the destination installation, then you can create your own folder and do it. But I'm going to the default settings, so we don't need to do anything. And once you select your all features from here, then you can just click to install. But I'm not going to select anything, and this is going to still install with the 1.18 GB. Install while downloading. So see, I'm going to click on this option, so it will download then install while downloading. So install while downloading, in the sense it will for after a couple of MB download, then it will start installation as well. So it will go simultaneously, and going to choose it. Do you want to continue with the workload? Yes. Fine. So now it will take a couple of minutes or 10 minutes, 5 minutes, according to your internet speeds, and let's see how much time it takes for me as well. Let me start it. Let's click to skip for now. If you want to create your account, you can create it. I'm just keeping it right now. In the settings, choose theme, dark or blue. So I'm going with the dark. And now click to Visual Studio to start it. Great. So now let's create the new project. Install more tools and features. So this is up to you whether you want to install or not. Project name, you can type anything, just like NA underscore project SA. And perfect. See, we installed it, and now we can use for rest of things. And if you want to use and install any plugins, you can directly install from the panel as well, and from CMD. So this is how we can install the latest Visual Studio in Windows 10. And if you face any challenge during installation, just to comment. I will definitely try to help you, and we will fix the issue together.